waiting me like day, waiting you carry na go body. Oh you me lorry, waiting you gather na go share me and share. Baby money will go over top of all. And maybe I want to get to know your mind. Fine lady, your body's unnecessary. It's a necessary. It's a necessary. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. It's a necessary. It's a necessary. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. It's a necessary. It's a necessary. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. It's a necessary. It's a necessary. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. I'm ready. Anything that you want, I'm getting. Oh, you linger, fire girl. You're supposed to give me party non-stop. Ramatondo and Wamatonjo. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. It's a necessary. It's a necessary. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. It's a necessary. It's a necessary. Fine lady, your body is yeah. It's a necessary. It's a necessary. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. It's a necessary. It's a necessary.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. I try to upload at least once a week, you guys, so you don't want to miss out. Alright, so today's hair review, you guys, is going to be on this unit. Alright, this is from Outre, or is it Outre? Okay, let me know, is it Outre or Outre? One or two. Let me know down below, okay? And this is called the Daily Wig, okay? And the style that I got is in Kamala. Or should I say now our Vice President, Kamala? So the style I got is Kamala. I think it's pronounced Kamala. This is a premium synthetic lace part wig. It's hand tied and it has a pre-attached elastic band, which I am so excited about because this is snug, okay? And so I'm really feeling the fact that it came with an elastic band, you guys. So they said this is like something that you can wear on a daily basis. I don't know about that. Like I mentioned before, the color that I got is 1B. I don't know if this is 1B. This to me looks like it's 1. Like it's completely jet black. So like I'm feeling a little bit like Morticia Adams here. You know, I'm feeling like a black Morticia Adams. So I don't know how to take this. I probably would want maybe like a 2. You know, possibly a 3 so it won't look so stark. It's been a while since I've really worn like straight body wave hair. Are they really going to do construction now as I'm filming? They're really going to do construction while I'm filming, you guys? You know, all day there was no construction and I'm filming pretty late in the day. Now you're going to start construction? Okay. It comes in a variety of colors, and so it comes in the standard 1B. It comes in 613. It comes in caramel, red wine. It even comes in silver gray, a copper orange. I really don't have too many complaints about this. The only thing is that there are some flyaways at the top, and then this side is it doesn't like stay down. It's kind of like lifted up a little bit. I did use my Nairobi Wrap and Shine foaming lotion to try to get the flyaways to kind of tame itself. I could spray a little of my Got To Be glue. Maybe let me try that. There's something going on with this side Do you guys see how the hair is kind of sticking up right here? It's not laying down and I don't like that. Let me just go ahead and make sure I lay out the pros and cons so you'll know. Pro, it was easy to apply. I like the fact that it is a like T-part lace part, so there's not that much, you know, lace to cut or manipulate. Like I mentioned, it's easy to install, just very quick. I do like the length. I like the body wave texture. I love the fact that it comes with a elastic band already attached, so the unit is fitting snug. I can't tell you whether it is big head friendly. It has adjustable straps, so you can of course adjust it, but it's still, if you have a big head, it still may be problematic for you because of the elastic band that's attached. All right, so if that's the case, you may just want to cut the elastic band out and adjust the adjustable straps to fit your head size. Okay, and I wear kind of like a medium to small, like I have a medium to small head, so but to me this is fitting very snug. It is a synthetic wig, so of course it's going to, you know, tangle a little bit, and plus since I've been, you know, brushing it out, it's gonna tangle faster than I really want. So that's another reason why I may not wear it every day. I don't like that it has these flyaways. I've used my Nairobi wrap lotion and I've even used my Got To Be Glued to try to lay them down. It's not working for me, so I don't like that at all. I mean, other than that, I think it's cute, you know, just the flyaway piece. The color is a little too much for me. You can really get this wig for like $21. So yeah, you can get this wig from Wig Types. You can get it from Ebony Line, but I wouldn't suggest Ebony Line, you guys. Just don't go there. Elevate Styles, So Good, BB, Sam's Beauty. You can get this unit from a lot of different places. The parting space looks really wiggy to me. I don't know, you guys. I feel like I'm wearing like cosplay hair. To be completely honest, I feel like I'm wearing cosplay. Am I saying that right? Right. I just feel like that's what I'm wearing right now. Other than that, it's all right. It's cute. For 21 bucks, why not? So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to follow me on some of my social media platforms. I am on Instagram. I am on Snapchat. I have a Facebook page called Thecocoaalmondjoy, and I am on TikTok. All right, so I will also see you over there in those platforms. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Fine lady, your body's unnecessary.